So let's unbox this. Mga murang flashcards sa Shopee. Can't hear anything. So guys, kung magsha-shopping kayo sa Shopee, please search nyo yung Juvich na profile. Punta kayo sa video para maka-less kayo ng maka-discount kayo. So lahat ng products, pag in-add nyo siya from Shopee video or live, mas malaki yung discount. So ito, mga gawa natin to ng video sa Shopee para magkaroon kayo ng discount. So as long as may video, Shopee video, ito mga flashcards, as long as may Shopee video, pag check out mo, magkakaroon ka ng discount. So ito mga flashcards. What's this? Ito mga animals, ito fruits, ito vehicles, ito fruit, colors. Yan, meron tayo dito mga maliliit na
if you see something
fish.
Red, you gotta pick it.
Yeah. Let's open that later. So,
I love strawberry.
So nag-add tayo ng mga color white marker.
I forgot to
Yeah, you need to trace it. So we have, ano ba to? Parang
pick
tatlo.
anything that's red.
Yeah, any of them are red.
Rose, apple,
Strawberries.
strawberry.
These are mathematics flashcards. Meron tayong addition, division, subtraction,
They gave me
multiplication.
these.
So mura lang tong mga to, guys.
These.
Check nyo sa Shopee video ng Juvich. Punta kayo sa videos and then search Juvich. Makikita nyo tong mga item na to doon.